Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today we have a really clean 2006 Toyota Camry LE model. So out of the Camrys you have a few different models. You have LE, XLE, SE, and this one being middle of the road, but it still has hubcaps. It's dealer installed options from the factory when new. So some people opt for options and some people don't. So this one is obviously the one that has the more base model package to it. So it comes with Firestone tires all the way around. The front headlights are clear but have a haze film over the top of them, as you can see there. All powered by the ever reliable 2.4 chain driven variable valve time 4-cylinder motor. So this is an upgraded version from the previous generation body style of 9701 where they had the 2.2. So upgrading now to the 2.4, and then the newer ones have the 2.5 in them. So I'm actually going to be doing a video just after this one of the newer model with the 2.5. So it comes with tinted windows, power windows, locks, mirrors. Pretty standard interior cloth with floor mats except for on the driver's side. No original owner's manual comes with the car. Nice clean dash, CD player present with AM/FM stereo as well as ice cold AC. And then we have our charging port here. And then storage compartment, automatic transmission, dual cup holders, missing the top cover here. And our center console armrest storage bin that has another charging port in it as well. So up top we have our sunglass storage, dual map lights, and dual vanity mirrors. This vehicle just missed the cut of an auxiliary port. They started doing it as a standard in 2007. So with these, you either get the ones that have the dealer installed tape player, or if they were the XLE model, it comes as a standard. But this one does not, so you'd have to go cigarette lighter to Bluetooth wireless to get the auxiliary connectivity. So it has split fold 60/40 rear seats, so it gives you more trunk access, and pretty spacious trunk. Nice clean body on the outside. Has the body side moldings, and at one point in this car's life it has a total repaint because this is its original color, but it's not really original finish. So at some point the car has been completely repainted. It is a 2-owner, no accident, auto check certified vehicle, so no accidents, but just due to probably sun fading from Florida sun. In the trunk there, it comes with the trunk mat and the Camry mat, as well as the spare tire, tools, and jack to change all that. So differences from 02 to 06 would be the taillights. They did switch the taillights up to have the clear turn signals at the top versus an all red taillight like the 02 to 04 version. 05, 06 got those taillights installed, so gives it a little bit of more of an updated look. We do have actually a power driver's seat. I failed to mention that for the power options. So power 8-way seat, including lumbar support for your back, and a small pull-out tray, interior illumination switch, daytime running lights, and automatic headlights. That's for Canadian market example as well too. That's why they come as a standard. And then we have steering wheel controls for the radio and our cruise control with interval wipers on the stock on the right hand side. So this vehicle comes with keyless entry, and that's all working, no problems there. And for the startup, we have a nice clean startup, a nice smooth idle, no problems there, no warning lights on the dash, 154,000 original 2-owner miles. So we have a nice rev, and again, like I said, a smooth idle. So for the stereo, we have one of those Toyota stereos that the volume button doesn't like to comply, so using the steering wheel controls works just as well. So the stereo sounds nice, and then AC's ice cold right at the start. I've actually personally driven this vehicle for quite some time and can confirm that everything is properly working, all the windows, locks, and mirrors, and it drives actually really, really nice. Nice and comfortable, straight, brakes are solid, perfect, no problems there. This is actually a perfectly turnkey, beautiful Camry that you can find at a great price at our website. So Go online and find this 2006 Toyota Camry LE exclusively at meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like or comment on any of our videos because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.